Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 2nd, 2023. We're going to talk about AMP today. It's my first time ever doing a price prediction in the market for AMP. And you guys can tell from the title of the video, could we be primed to see a dump occur into the market in AMP? Now, obviously, with a lot of other altcoins into the market, AMP also participated since the beginning of this year, seeing a massive run up. That looked like that play is done. Now, are we about to see a massive rundown or a collapse occur in the price in AMP? Let's talk about it real quick. First thing I'm going to show you is how price in AMP has maintained an overall trend. Okay, you guys can see how price in AMP is trending higher, which is a great thing. It lets us know that the market is still bullish. Now, one of the things I really wanted to come in and talk to you about is how price is now hitting the overall trend. Okay, so we broke away from the market in AMP right here on the 23rd of February. Well, today we're coming right back down. So obviously we need to see buyers, period. We need to see the buyers approach the market in AMP right now around 500 points to hold this trend line. If that occurs, then this run is not over, period. It's just that simple. Okay. So another thing I wanted to show you is how price in AMP is now hitting these prior areas of resistance. Oh, it's trading below these prior areas of resistance here. Okay, that's not a good thing neither. When AMP hit this 550 point area back here in mid-January of the last month or a couple of months ago, the market went back down. So here we are today, we're seeing AMP trade right back below this 550 point level. That's not a good sign either. So on top of us seeing price trade below 550 points, on top of us seeing this massive volume come in on the 23rd, and how price seemingly has just collapsed in price since then, we have to follow the market. The market is telling us that generally this trend is still weak in AMP. Okay, so I'm not massively bullish in this currency anymore. I'm playing some downside pressure. I suspect that sellers are trying to move this market lower. People are trying to take profit. It was a great run for the beginning half of 2023, and now the market is coming back down to life, to earth. Okay. So right now I am going to play some minor weakness into the market in AMP. I don't think price is going to hold this trend line. I'm looking for price to run down to around 500 points first. And then my second target is going to be around 472 points. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you all what I'm talking about and put on a price prediction. Okay. So we have 500 first, 470, 472 second. And then third is 450. Okay. So let me put this back on the daily. And we're going to play the short. We're going to expect price to go down. That is going to be our price prediction. We're going to expect and look for the market in AMP to trend lower. So let me go ahead and show you all the magnifying glass. So that first area I told you was around 500 points. That is 4.04%, 499 points. My second one's around 470. That is 9.62%, 470, and third is 450. That gives us around 13 and a quarter. You guys can see that there, around 450 points. Now we're going to continue to be weak into the market in AMP until we see the market at least trade back above 600 points. All right, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know, what do you guys think about AMP? Do you think price is going to continue to dip lower? And if so, how low you think price is going to go? I'm going to hold this trend line here so we can use that as a reference point. Because like I said, I really want us to see the buyers step in, because if they do, then that's going to let us know that the market is still bullish and that the trend is still going to go up. That is it. Hit that like button. Should have been also subscribe. If you guys want to learn more, I would recommend that you guys follow me on this channel, because I am not going to hype up these cryptocurrencies. The name of the game is simply to come in and profit. That's it. So join me.